Welcome to Ladies of Justice, the YouTube channel. Here we have chart showing 30,000 associates who earn some income.
What happens when we build the Legal Shield Army to 15 to 20%? Guys, we don't even have to get close to 50, 60, 70, 80. We don't even have to get close to Mr. Stonesucker's goal of 100% for your destiny to change.
This is Miss Elizabeth Gardner, $1 million a year income earner,
I want you to
and
visualize
our
that
mentor
Legal
and friend.
Shield is an ocean. And it holds every dream that you've ever dreamed. Some of you are stepping up to the Legal Shield ocean with a teaspoon. Some of you are stepping up to the Legal Shield ocean with a bucket. And some of you, like Brian Carruthers,